Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation on evaluation and safety in LLMs. In this section, we will explore one of the most critical areas in modern AI, how we evaluate large language models and ensure their safety. We will cover 5 key topics. One is evaluation matrix, hallucinations, content filtering, jailbreaks and red teaming. What is evaluating LLMs? Blue, Rouge, Perplexity. What is evaluating LLMs? Ensured test quality, relevance, and accuracy. There are three key metrics. One is blue. Blue is the bilingual evaluation understudy. It is a measures how closely missions generated test matrix reference test based on the n-gram overlaps. It is common in translations tasks. High blue equals to closest to the human level translations. What is Rouge? Rouge is the recall oriented understudy for gisting evaluation. It is a focus on recall and useful in summarization tasks. It measures how much model outputs overlaps with human reference summarizations. What is the perplexity? It is a evaluates the fluency by quantifying how well probability models predicts the test. Their lower perplexity equals to model finds the test more expected and fluence. This three matrix helps determines the accuracy and fluency and relevance of generating test. What is hallucinations in LLMs? Hallucinations in LLMs refers the LLMs producing the false, inconsistent or fabricated informations that appears the possible in cases incomplete training data, decoding errors or model overconfidence. There are types of hallucinations. One is intersync hallucinations, wrong facts within non-context, and extinct hallucinations, reference non-existing or unknown entries. What is the solutions of the hallucinations? Retrieval argument generations, RAG, fact checking, human validations. What is content filtering and safety layers? Content filtering acts as a safety shield that monitors and blocks harmful or sensitive content at input and output stages. There are types of filters. Pre-filters checks user inputs for hate speech, harassments, self-harm topics or illegal requests, and post-filter scans the model outputs for toxicity, bias, NSFU or hallucinated claims and types. Rule based filters, AI based filters. Rule based filters is keyword dedications. AI based filters contains aware. What is jailbreaks and model misuse? Jailbreaks and model misuse is prompt manipulating techniques used to bypass safety sections and force models to output of forbidden content. What is the common jailbreak types? Then do anything now, developer mode, translated modes, and grammar tricks. What is then? Tricks the model into acting without restrictions. Developer mode. Make the AI think it is a sandbox test environment. Translated bot. Mask harmful task translation request and grammar tricks. Emotional framing to the restricted response. What is the risk? Data leaks, generations of illegal and unethical content, and misinformations. What is red teaming in AI? Red teaming in AI is the deliberate testing of AI models using the adversarial attacks to the uncover vulnerabilities before release. for goals exposing safety gaps, data leaks, hallucination risks, and biased truth simulations of real world misuse. And red team acts like ethical hackers for AI, internationally trying to make the models fail or produce unsafe outputs. They are finding the user the safety layers before public deployments. There are types of red teaming: automated red teaming, manual red teaming. Automated red teaming is uses synthetic prompts models to generate the adversarial cases. Manual red teaming expect the craft realistic attacks prompts mimicking the intent. What is the outcomes? They are builds a rope set safer and transport AI systems with safety boundaries. This process helps build trustworthy, reliable, and responsible AI systems. Right now, conclusion here. Thank you so much for watching the video.